Okay, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. We have adding and subtracting fractions here with different denominators. So we're going to find the common denominator. So 8, the 8 time tables will be 8, 16, 24, and 32. The 6 time tables will be 6, 12, 18, and 24. The 4 time tables will be 4, 8, 12, and 16. Now let's see if there's anything common yet. Nope, I don't see anything common. So let's go on further. The 8 time tables, let's go one more. We'll get 40. For the 6 time tables, we'll get 30. And for the 4 time tables, we will get 20. And is there anything common? Not yet. So we'll go one more. So next in the 8 time tables will be 48. Next in the 6 time tables is 36. And next in the 4 time tables will be 24. And now we have found commonality. 24. Did you see the 24s? Okay, so let's get the multipliers now. For the 8 time tables, 1, 2, 3, your multiplier is 3. So we'll put 3 here and here. For the 6 time tables, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the multiplier is 4 and times 4. For the 4 time tables, your multiplier is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's times 6 and then times 6. So let's write those down. Let me use my thicker pen here. Okay, 5 times 3 and 8 times 3. That'll be 15 and 24. Next, we have 1 times 4 and 6 times 4. That'll be 4 and 24. And next, we have 3 times 6 and 4 times 6. That'll be 18 and 24. Okay, now let's begin to add and subtract. So 15 plus 4 is 19. Take away 18 leaves 1 over 24. That's it. Now to multiply these mixed numbers, we need to turn this into improper. So I'm going to use multiplication and adding. Multiplication and adding. So 4 times 5 and then add 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 more is 21 over 4. Next will be 7 times 1 and then add 5. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 more gives us 12. That'll be over 7. We'll switch to a finer pen here. Okay, we got to multiply at 21 times 12. That's going to be a big number. Wow, it's going to be a really big number. Let me do some division first. I'm going to put a divide by 4 here and a divide by 4 here. So I'm simplifying now. I'm going to put a divide by 7 here and a divide by 7 here. So this should simplify things. So let's do some division here. So 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 times. 12 divided by 4 gives me 3. And 7 divided by 7 gives me 1. Now my multiplication is, numerators are 3 times 3, and my denominator is 1 times 1. 3 times 3 gives me 9, and 1 times 1 gives me 1. And that will simplify down to a 9. 9 over 1 simplifies to 9. Okay, once again, we're going to be dividing these two, so we need to turn this into an improper by using multiplication and adding. Again, multiplication and adding. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 more gives us 21. I'll use my thicker pen. 21 over 4. Division. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 5 more gives us 12 over 7. Okay, now it's time to do our keep, change, and our flip. The 21 over 4 will remain 21 over 4. times, and this becomes 7 over 12. Now, I do see some division here. I can divide this by 3, and this can be divided by 3. So we'll put the divide by 3's here. And I'll use a thinner pen now. 21 divided by 3 gives me 7 over 4, and 7 here. And 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. So what I now have is a 7 times 7, a 7 times 7, and a 4 times 4. Well, 7 times 7 is 49, and a 4 times 4 is 16.